Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a healthy oil-free boiled chicken recipe with amaranth leaves. The broth is subtly flavored, easy to prepare and a great comfort food. Before we move ahead, if you are first time here, do consider subscribing, and if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. And now let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, amaranth leaves, rinse it thoroughly multiple times, sliced ginger, onions chopped into halves, slim green chilies, bay leaf and salt. Now let's start cooking. Take a pot, then place your chicken pieces, bay leaf, green chilies, sliced ginger, onions and salt. Add 4 to 5 cups of water. Cover and cook it for 20 minutes on a medium flame. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for another 15 minutes. Now add the amaranth leaves. Stir it well. Cover and cook it on a medium flame for 30 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Once the broth achieves the consistency of your choice, our healthy, delicious chicken recipe is ready. Here is the dish. The chicken is tender, succulent and perfectly flavored. The amaranth leaves have added a lovely texture and a hearty flavor to an otherwise humble dish. I hope you will enjoy this super delicious chicken recipe just like I do.